Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and this is Challenging Kitchen. Today, we're going to be doing a quick and easy chicken salad recipe, and I'm going to show you how. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Some type of rotisserie chicken or boiled chicken, celery salt, white pepper, a quarter of an onion, and mayonnaise. First, we're just going to slice up our onions really thin. Oh, I forgot to mention that we are also going to add 1 or 2 ribs of celery. Sorry about that. This is such a quick and easy recipe. You could do it within 10 to 15 minutes. And it's really good for when you go to cookouts or if you just want to take it to lunch. With the cost of food, takeout food rising, this is a good go-to. This rotisserie chicken that I got here that I'm going to be utilizing was only $4.69, and I've already used it in some other recipes. So for me, this is a big win and very budget friendly. Now let me get my celery. I've washed and peeled off any of the bad leaves. I like this to be really small, so we're just going to go through there and make small incision up the rib. There we go. Take out that part, because no one likes any stringy celery. And then just make a really thin chop, slices here of the celery. About like that. You can chop it finer if you'd like. This is such a go-to salad. You can put it on regular bread, a croissant, anything you'd like. If you'd like to have it on a salad plate, it's good for that as well. With a tomato, a little lettuce. It's your choice. It's not overwhelming. A lot of people might like to add more salt. We do not add a lot of salt to our food, so I will be reducing the amount of celery salt in this recipe, but I will link below the amount that this recipe calls for. There we go, look at that. Beautiful. And I do have to watch my fingers because my husband just sharpened this knife for me. Oh, I love it. Nice and easy. That's a nice, easy glide right there. Beautiful. Now on to the second. Perfect, perfect. Just gonna cut that there, cut that there, make it easier for me to chop. Going down the rib once again. Nice. One more time on this one. A little maneuvering there. But that's good. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Now you can leave it like that if you want, or you can dice it smaller. It's your preference. It's how you like it. I like a little more dice. Perfect. In the bowl it goes with our onions. Hello. Okay. Now I've got my onions and my celery in my mixing bowl. Now I'm just going to go and take out the meat that I want for this chicken salad. I'm going to take part of the breast. I do take the skin off, but you can keep this. I'm going to keep the carcass as well, and I will be using this as a chicken stock or in a soup. Get the most out of your money. That's what I'm all about. Get the most for your money. All right. So I'm also going to use some dark meat. I'm going to remove this skin. Keep that for my broth or my chicken soup. You can boil this carcass down. Then you can remove the bones. Keep the meat. You can freeze it. Absolutely wonderful use of your money. $4.69 for a rotisserie chicken. You can't go wrong with that. Take that off. Perfect. Just quickly remove that skin. Put it over there. Save it for later. And then I'm just going to go through and chop this up. And I'll be back. Just some really nice chunks there. Not overly large, because when you mix this together, some of it is going to get a little bit creamed into the chicken salad. I'm not making a huge chicken salad today. I'm just making enough for me and my husband. I still have this much of my rotisserie chicken left, so I can utilize that for another meal. Or I could save the rest for a chicken soup if I wanted. Just pop it in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. It's perfect. There we go. Perfect. In the bowl it goes. What's that? Maybe 6-7 ounces there. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and see how that works out. I'm going to use a little white pepper, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Celery salt. Like I said, the original recipe calls for 1½ teaspoons. I am going to start with a half a teaspoon because we don't like a lot of salt. There we go. And just mix it up. We don't want this to be really, really wet. We want it to stay together really nice on our sandwich bread. Just kind of smush it down. Or you can leave it chunky. It's up to you. It's your chicken salad. Now at this point you could add more mayo if you want, more celery salt if you'd like, more pepper. That's up to you. But this, for us, is perfect. And we're gonna let that set in the refrigerator for overnight. I wanna thank you for stopping by Challenging Kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried this quick and easy chicken salad. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and God bless.